In a significant breakthrough, the Jajpur Road police have arrested notorious thief Pappu alias Chagulu Patra, who had been evading authorities for months. Patra, wanted for several high-profile thefts, including those at a local judge's office and Punjab National Bank, was arrested from his residence in the Hudisahi area near the police station. During the operation, police seized numerous stolen items including 2 laptops, a mobile phone, a coin counting machine, and a cash receipt printer. The accused has been linked to several criminal cases across multiple regions including Jajpur Road, Kuakhai, and Jagatpur. Authorities are now exploring if Patra was part of a larger criminal network. This arrest marks a significant achievement in the ongoing efforts to tackle crime in the region. Authorities have urged the public to remain vigilant and report any suspicious activities.
आमर एसपी जाजपुर सर दुईटी स्पेशल टीम गठन करते आईआईसी जाजपुर रोड और टीम को लेकर एवं ये तीन जाक केसर गोटे ही मुदला थिला आमर पप्पू alias चगलू पात्र जे कि जन अभ्यासगत अपराधी एवं नाम आमर कोरेई कलिंगनगर जाजपुर रोड आ जखपुरा 34-35 केस रही अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी ऑफेंस जन एक्टिव एमो क्रिमिनाल अटे तेणु आमर ये जो स्पेशल टीम आज गिरफ कर